Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, December 23rd, and we're going to start with this amazing quilt made by our own Linda Hunt. It is called the Color Wave Quilt, and we have kits for this in the shop now. So take a good little look at that, and then I'll pull it down and tell you about the kit. All right. Oh, it's a big one. Combine Jacqueline de Jong's Lagoon Batiks with this fun pattern by Colorworks to get a dazzling new quilt with an ombre effect. Your kit includes the pattern and 8 yards of fabric for the top and the binding. And some really, really pretty batiks in here. So you can see, they're the same ones showing over here, and there's even some metallic in there, which is really fun. So that is new in the shop and online now. And then we also just received in the door banner kit of the month from Riley Blake for March. So let's see, we actually have it on the wall over there, but we couldn't be bothered to get on a ladder and get it down. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really adorable, and it gives you plenty of time to work on it between now and March. That's what we have for you today from the shop. We will be closed on the 24th and 25th, but then on the 26th, 27th, and 30th, I will be answering any questions that you have. So I'm going to drop a link in the description of today's video where you can ask questions. They can be technique questions, quilting questions, owning a quilt shop questions, anything you want. And that's what I'm going to be doing on Thursday, Friday, and Monday, because our inventory team takes time off in between the holidays because nothing is shipping right now. So if you have any questions for me, I would be happy to answer them for you. I hope that you all have a lovely Christmas and enjoy a couple days off. And I will see you back here from the shop on Thursday. Thursday? All right. Have a great Christmas. Bye.